Hi, in this lesson we will see what is admin section. So let's go into the interface. So here you see at the bottom the setting icon, you click on it, right? So first is the account settings. We have seen all the options in the account settings, right? So let's go. Okay, so we have seen account status, data protection, contacts. Here you can add the numbers, the contacts of your digital marketing managers, right? So next is the third party measurement. So if you remember, while creating the video campaigns, there it asked for the third party measurement tool, right? If you have any third party vendor partnerships, you can add it here. So you click on this add vendor and you can select the tool here, right? Let's say for brand safety, select, you see, double verify. We have tools like this, right? So for the viewability, we have different tools, right? And for brand lift, we have different tools. Like this, we have different tools available according to the requirement or according to the measurement that you wanted to track, right? You can link them here, and whatever you link here, they will appear while creating the video campaigns, right? So I hope you have remembered the video campaigns creation process. I suggest you to go through those campaign creations once. And this is the time zone, right? And auto tagging, we have seen this. Tracking, we have also seen this. Call reporting, we have seen this. Negative keywords, IP exclusions, auto apply recommendations. You know, this auto apply is turned off. Make sure that auto apply is turned off. If in your account it is turned on, because when you turn on this one, whatever the recommendations that Google is providing us, they will be automatically applied to our campaigns. So where the changes will be made without our knowledge, we don't want to happen it, right? We want control in our hands. Make sure that you have as much as control in your hands. Okay, so make sure that this auto apply is turned off. Okay, and next is the lead form ads terms. You can just come down and accept the terms, that's it. And customer match, you can accept the terms and conditions here, right? So we have seen all these options available in the account settings earlier as well. So next we go to the preferences. So this is just about the Google Ads account that you are using, right? So here you can see the display language, on what language you want to see all this data, right? And here it is the number format, okay? And you see this is the account name. If you want, you can name the account as per the requirement. Simply you can name the business name, right? So this is the time zone. So if you remember, while creating the Google Ads account, I have told you two options. One is the time zone and another is the currency that you cannot edit after you create the Google Ads account, right? So that is the reason why while creating itself, you need to make sure what is your targeting time zone, what is the currency, that is the billing currency that you wanted to apply to this account. Once you apply them, once you set up them, you cannot undo them. Okay, please be cautious about it, right? So this is the account status, and next is the recommendations for your business. Make sure that this is turned on. So Google can send the recommendations for our business, right? But we don't want them applied automatically. That is the reason why in the account settings I have told you to turn off them, right? And here is the contact information. You can provide the contact information here, right? And these are the just rules about the Google Ads policies. That's it. So this is self-explanatory, right? Next is the notifications. So it is up to you whether you want to receive the notifications or not. So you can set up them here, right? So next is the access and security. This is one important thing that every advertiser should be aware of. Okay, so what happens in agencies is you won't alone manage the account. Along with you, there will be other team members. Always they cannot come to you and use your email ID to access the account, right? So in order to solve this, here in accesses, we have different levels of permissions. You need to give their email ID and should select what kind of permission you need to give them, right? So when you click on here create button, so here you can add the email, the other person's email, and here you can set the expiration or you simply set the never, and you see you can select the what type of access you want to give, just email only or billing, read only, standard or admin. So whatever the access you wanted to give, you can give them. So I hope you are understanding me. So this is very important section that everyone should be aware of. So how you can give the access to your Google Ads account to other members, right? So again, I'm telling you, they cannot use your email ID, right? So you might have your personals in your email ID. So to avoid those issues, you can provide access to the Google Ads account that you are using, so that they can log in with their email ID. Okay. So in the managers, you can see the what are the emails that are linked to this Google Ads account, who are able to access them, right? And in security, you can manage few other settings, right? So let's say this is the for Gmail domain. So whoever having the @Gmail email, they can access. I mean, you can add them. So if you want other domains, like let's say @Microsoft.com, let's say Shivakishore Reddy @Microsoft.com, I can add directly from here. Okay, I can add directly from here. First, in the security, I need to approve this domain, add domain, and here you need to set like Microsoft.com, right? So after you adding it and click save, and after that in the users you can go and add the user, that is Shivakishore @Microsoft.com, right? So I hope you are understanding me how to give the accesses. So make sure that you give access to the proper people only. Okay, otherwise there will be a chance of account theft, right? So I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.